President William Ruto has nominated Dorcas Oduor for the position of Attorney General, submitting her name to the National Assembly for vetting. The vetting process is expected to take place next week, marking a pivotal moment in the selection of Kenya's top legal officer. Dorcas Oduor, a distinguished senior counsel, brings with her over 3 decades of extensive legal experience within the public sector. Her career has been marked by a series of significant contributions to the development and refinement of Kenyan law. Oduor's expertise spans across various facets of the legal profession, including litigation, legislative drafting, and the provision of critical legal advisories. Her work has played a crucial role in shaping the country's legal framework, making her a respected figure in the legal community. Throughout her career, Oduor has been lauded for her unimpeachable integrity, a quality that has earned her widespread respect among her peers and the public alike. Her exceptional professional competence is evident in her thorough understanding of the law and her ability to navigate complex legal issues with ease. Oduor's steadfast commitment to upholding the rule of law has been a cornerstone of her professional ethos, guiding her actions and decisions in her various roles. Oduor's legal journey began in 1990 when she earned her Bachelor of Laws degree. She subsequently completed a postgraduate diploma at the Kenya School of Law in 1991, a critical step that paved the way for her admission to the bar as an advocate of the High Court of Kenya in 1992. Her early career was marked by a series of roles that built her reputation as a capable and dedicated legal professional. Currently, Oduor serves as the Secretary of Public Prosecutions within the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. In this capacity, she has overseen numerous high-profile cases and has been instrumental in the administration of justice in Kenya. Her work has not only demonstrated her legal acumen, but also her dedication to public service and justice. If confirmed by the National Assembly, Dorcas Oduor will make history as the first female Attorney General of Kenya. This potential appointment would not only be a personal milestone for Oduor, but also a significant moment for Kenya, symbolizing progress in gender representation in the country's highest offices. Her nomination is seen as a recognition of her long-standing service and her potential to lead the Attorney General's office with the same dedication and integrity she has shown throughout her career. The appointment of Dorcas Oduor as Attorney General would be a noteworthy development in Kenya's legal and political landscape, potentially ushering in a new era of leadership and reform in the country's justice system. As the nation awaits the outcome of the vetting process, there is widespread anticipation about the impact she could have in this critical role.